Hi, good morning. This is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. It's 6 a.m. and I received an email at 2:47 a.m. I didn't see it until 4:27 or something like that. And 2 days ago I did a video saying that you have to risk and you have to be proactive. So I have to apply my own advice, right? So I answered back to this guy or this person, and he needs the job done at between 8 and 9 in the morning. 9:30 I have another client close to my house, so I decided to come so early so to see if I can help him and get the job done. It looks like a post remodeling cleaning. He needs to clean the tile, and he mentioned about one bathroom. I put an advertisement the last week and yesterday, so maybe that's the reason why people are calling me. I don't want to postpone. A hurricane is coming to Florida, so maybe they want to finish the job before the hurricane comes. Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, applying her own advice of risk and proactive. Again, I'm not sure that I'm gonna take the job, but I'm heading there. Percentage of getting the job, I think between 90-95, I can say. Maybe we can agree on price. I didn't talk about price because I have to see in person what I have to do and show him that I have the right equipment, the truck mount and everything. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. If you have any questions, just call us at 407-572-4118. Be proactive, wake up, okay? Come on, you can do it. Put it beneath on the comments what you're doing right now, okay? By taking care of your kids, preparing them to school, get ready to work. I don't know, just let me know. Wish me luck, okay? And I'm